Break down. Stop working. Lose control of emotions. My car broke down on the highway. She broke down in tears after hearing the news. Break into. Enter forcibly. Someone broke into my car and stole my bag. Thieves broke into the house last night. Bring up. Mention a topic. Raise a child. She brought up an interesting point in the meeting. They brought up their children in a small town. Call off. Cancel. The manager called off the meeting. The match was called off due to rain. Carry on. Continue. He carried on working despite being tired. They carried on talking for hours. Come across. Find unexpectedly. I came across an old photo of us. She came across a great book at the store. Come up with. Think of an idea or plan. She came up with a brilliant solution. He came up with a creative solution to the problem. Cut down on. Reduce. She is trying to cut down on sugar. I need to cut down on my expenses. Deal with. Handle. Manage. He deals with customer complaints daily. I don't know how to deal with this situation. Drop off. Deliver. Fall asleep. I will drop off the package at your house. She dropped off while watching TV. End up. Eventually do or become something. He ended up staying at home. She ended up being a doctor. Fall apart. Break into pieces. Become emotionally unstable. The old chair fell apart. She fell apart after the breakup. Fall behind. Fail to keep up. He fell behind in his studies. We fell behind on our project. Fill out. Complete a form. Please fill out this form. I filled out the application yesterday. Find out. Discover. Learn. We found out the truth. I just found out about the meeting. Get along. Have a good relationship. They get along very well. I don't get along with my boss. Get away. Escape. The thief got away. He planned to get away to a quiet beach. Get over. Recover from. She got over the flu quickly. He never got over his first love. Give in. Surrender. Yield. She finally gave in to their demands. The kids kept begging until she gave in and bought them ice cream. Give up. Quit. Never give up on your dreams. He gave up smoking last year. Go ahead. Proceed. You can go ahead with your plan. He went ahead and bought the car. Go on. Continue. The meeting went on for hours. Please go on with your story. Go through. Experience. Examine. He went through a tough time. Let's go through the report again. Grow up. Mature. They grew up together and remained best friends. It's time to grow up and take responsibility. Hand in. Submit. Please hand in your assignments. He handed in his resignation. Hang up. End a phone call. I tried to explain, but he just hung up on me. They broke up, but he still hung up on her. Hold on. Wait. Grasp. Hold on. I will be right back. She held onto the railing tightly. Keep on. Continue. They kept on talking. He keeps on trying despite failure. Keep up with. Stay at the same speed. I can't keep up with him. We need to keep up with the new trends. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.